3.4 Adaptation. Perhaps the primary goal of the evaluation of monitoring the monitors was to determine the extent to which it should be adapted into a permanent province-wide policy. The results above suggest the program could be quite effective, but only in certain circumstances. To determine whether the effects were worth the cost, we would have liked to conduct a thorough cost-effective analysis as part of our evaluation. This was not easy, however, since increased inspections or doctor attendance was not the benefits we were ultimately interested in. The ultimate goal was to increase health outcomes for Punjab's rural poor, outcomes that were too costly for us to measure well in this setting. As a result, we had to rely on one fact about our ICT-based intervention to make a recommendation about continuing the policy or not. It was very cheap to implement. The monitors program cost $17,800 US to set up and $510 US per month to operate. Superscript 7, which reads, the setup costs include $4,470 United States dollars to develop the app and $13,330 US dollars for smartphones. Back to the text. While the results of the program are mixed, given this low cost, we would expect it to pass a cost effectiveness test. Thanks to the excitement of our health department partners about this project, we had the opportunity to present the results from our experiment and our conclusions at one of Punjab's chief ministers, the province's highest level bureaucrat, monthly health stock taking meetings. One slide and 1 minute of presenting led to a nod by the chief minister. The government of Punjab then scaled the program up to cover the entire province. The handoff from our team to the government included several adaptations. First, the government rebranded our system to be called Health Watch, both for design reasons and also so that the government could take credit for developing a new system. Second, the health department had to learn how to manage the system. As an example, when we first handed off the system, it crashed for several months while the department worked out a process to pay server, airtime, and phone repair bills. Our full-time staff member also spent a great amount of time meeting with those in the health department put in charge of Health Watch to ensure they had the ability to train new health inspectors and to troubleshoot problems within the system. It is important to understand the goals of politicians and bureaucrats and how they may differ from those of development economists and or engineers. While academics often care about academic journal publications as a way to impact their discipline and gain credit toward promotion, bureaucrats may place a much higher weight on photo opportunities as a way to ensure they receive credit toward their own career advancement. Health Watch remains in place today, and it is largely the same as first designed.